Sleeping in the sun. Hey, easy. Smile when you're ready, yeah?
Yeah. I've gotten it 3 minutes.
You should make it up to 5, I think.
If you join it with other videos.
Yeah, with me. No, you make this one only 5.
Take the line. Look. I already pressed it.
Let go. What did I press?
That's it, you finished, isn't it?
Have you seen monkeys? There's no monkeys.
Which way do we go? That way? I think we're that way.
Have you never been that way?
Yeah. I have to go that way. I think it's that way, yeah.
Left, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, we can try school now. I think we are not going to. Oh, that's different.
We are going to the end now.
I want to actually have some snacks because this is far away.
We're exiting right now.
I want to buy all the snacks and some ice cream so because it's far to go to your house.
Of course.
Let's go.
That was this way out. That was probably next place.
Oh, is this the way out? Oh, this is the way to the line again? Huh?
No,
we're
where's
exiting
the
the line.
Roblox logo there?
What's that?
There's a Roblox